If you're a do-it-yourself boat owner, there's a lot of basic maintenance that you can handle yourself. Quality marine-specific Quicksilver tools will make those jobs a whole lot easier. So today, I want to show you 5 basic maintenance tools that you should own. Look, let's face it, if you're on the water, it's going to happen. You're probably going to damage a prop at some point in time. And if and when that happens, make sure you have one of these on board. It's the Quicksilver floating prop wrench. It's easy to see, it's easy to use, and well, it floats. So that way when you are repairing that prop out on the water, it's a lot less hassle. Another really handy tool to have in your toolbox is the Quicksilver floating prop block. It slips right onto the lower unit. That way you're not messing around with a 2x4 as all of us have done. It's easy to store, it's easy to use, and it floats. Changing your oil is an easy thing to do, but what's not easy all the time is getting the oil filter off because it's so slick. And that's why I like the Quicksilver oil filter wrench. It's easy to get into tight spaces. It's specific to the size of your oil filter, as well as it's got a powder coated finish, so it's going to last a long time. Draining the oil in your outboard is pretty easy if your boat's out of the water, but if your boat is in the water, one of the handiest things that you can have is the Quicksilver oil drain pump. It threads right onto the end of the oil dipstick tube, and it's compatible with many different outboard and stern drive engines. Changing the gear case lubricant is part of annual maintenance, and the thing that I really love about the Quicksilver gear lube pump is that it's compatible with many different outboard models, many different stern drive engines, and it will fit onto a 1 quart or 1 liter bottle. Very easy to use. Those 5 basic maintenance tools are going to make things so much easier when performing that annual upkeep on your boat. When you buy Quicksilver, you're buying quality, protection, and peace of mind. For more information, visit quicksilver-products.com.